Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. This is Olayemi Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tafiri, which is also known as Donkwa Uloka. So let's get started. So we'll be needing some dry maize, which is known as corn. So we'll start by roasting it. You do this in the oven, or you can use it in the pot, in the pan, just the way I'm doing in the video. So if you're new here, you're welcome. This recipe is a very delicious Nigerian snacks. It's mostly common in the north in Nigeria. Also, it's also common in the west as well. So this recipe is very simple to prepare. It does not really need too much cooking. So I'll start by roasting it. This is the outcome of our maize after roasting our dry maize. Then I'm going to go ahead to add other ingredients. Then we'll start preparing it by blending. I'm going to transfer this into a blender. If you are new to my channel, if you don't like this video, please remember to give us a thumbs up. Then I'm going to blend. Then we'll move to the other step of this recipe. It's very fluffy and is very soft when you are eating this recipe. Very delicious and very unique. You're going to enjoy every bite of this. So I'll go ahead by sieving my blend maize. Then we'll go to the other step. So this is the outcome after saving it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add dry chili pepper or dry pepper, any pepper you are using. Then I'm going to add some sugar. It really tastes good when you add sugar. It also needs sugar. Then I'm going to add some dry ginger, some dry ground powder ginger. Then I'm going to combine to get a perfect mix of this. So please remember to subscribe to our channel. Drop down a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think if you have ever tried this recipe. It's very simple and it's very unique. This recipe also calls for corn and peanuts. So you can also use any one of these methods I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and add some pinch of salt to give it that unique taste. This is optional. You can skip it if you don't want to add salt, since you are using sugar to give it that sweetener that you need. Back home in Nigeria, this maize is taken back to a commercial blender to blend it. So in the other step of this recipe, I'm going to go ahead and add my corn powder in a food processor. There I'll be using peanut butter for this. I'm not using a fresh raw peanut, so I'll be using peanut butter to do this. You can also use peanut butter to get that perfect Dankwa recipe that we are looking for. That is Uloka. We the Edos, we call it Uloka. In my mother's language, we call it Uloka, and it's very delicious. So this is how we normally prepare it. So after adding my peanut butter, I'll go ahead and put this and start blending our peanuts with our powder corn. Then I'll go ahead and cover my food processor jar. Then we'll put it on the food processor machine and start blending until everything is well mixed and well blended. Because I do not want to have I want a perfect compounder, so that's why I use the blender to blend it. If you have that manual blender, you can also use it. So this is the outcome after blending everything together to get this perfect well. So I'm going to use my hand to cut the maize, corn and peanut. Then I'm going to use my hand to roll it just as in this video to get that perfect roll. Donkwa, Uloka and Tafiri. So this is how I normally do it, and just watch every step. It's very simple, and this snack is a perfect snack for any time, and you are going to enjoy the bite. You can as well reduce the spice of it to suit your taste, or you can increase the spice, and as well you can also increase the sugar as well to suit your taste. So this is how I normally make my Donkwa ball, or my Tafiri, or my Uloka, as we the Edos call it. So this is the outcome. I'll keep on rolling it to get that perfect round Uloka, as the Edos normally call it. What do you call this snack in your language? Let me know in the comment section. And back home, this snack is very delicious. In Edos, we normally wrap this recipe with a pepper, a fresh leaf, and it give it another unique taste. Thanks so much for watching my Donkwa, Uloka, and Tafiri recipe.